What are the 7 major sins that doom a person to hell? These 7 sins were mentioned in the hadith al-mubiqat, and some thought that these are restricting the major sins. And when Ibn Abbas was asked, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, are the major sins 7? He said they are closer to 70 rather than 7. So this is not limiting the major sins, rather it is highlighting 7 of them, which the Prophet thought ﷺ to highlight. And they are, number 1, ash-shirku billah, associating others with Allah. Number 2, as-sihr, which is witchcraft. Number 3, killing a soul whom Allah has forbidden us to kill without any legitimacy. Number 4, consuming orphans' wealth. So if I have my nephew who's an orphan, I'm his guardian, I'm in charge of his wealth, and I abuse this, and I consume it, and I buy cars and lavish lifestyle. This is one of the major sins. Then consuming riba, usury, which is predominantly nowadays in most transactions of banks, monetary funds, financial institutions. All of these revolve around riba, and it's a major sin. Fleeing from the battlefield. This is when you are with a Muslim army, and the army in front of you, the enemy, is less than double your size, and you call it a quit. I ain't fighting with them, I'm just running away. This is a major sin. And slandering chaste, innocent Muslim women. And this is a major sin in Islam. When you talk about a Muslim woman and she says, no, she's a prostitute, oh, she has boyfriends, oh, she has many men coming into her house and leaving late at night, this is slandering. If you fail to bring 4 male witnesses to testify, seeing private parts in private parts, then you should be flogged 80 lashes for slandering a Muslim woman, and this is a major sin.